In this short video, we'll demonstrate how simple it is to use the Volumetric Light Beam plugin for Unity in a project with a scriptable render pipeline. Let's create a new project. In the Unity Hub window, we'll choose the LWRP template. They will work exactly the same way with the high-definition render pipeline. The project is opened. Let's import the Volumetric Light Beam plugin from the Asset Store. Once imported, all the files of the plugin are located under the folder Plugins, Volumetric Light Beam. When working with a scriptable render pipeline, the first thing to do is to modify two properties in the Volumetric Light Beam configuration. Open the Edit menu and then Volumetric Light Beam Configuration. In the Inspector window, click on the Create a Configuration Override button in order to modify the configuration. With the latest version of Unity, you are probably using a SRP package higher than 4.0. You can check this information in the Package Manager. If this is the case, modify the render pipeline property for SRP 4.0 or higher. Then, modify the rendering mode property to either single pass or GPU instancing. Everything is set up. You can now start creating some volumetric light beams in your scene. Let's create a new beam and tweak its properties. Let's create a second beam and make it look a bit different. Everything looks good in play mode. We hope this video was useful and informative. Thank you very much for watching. Enjoy the plugin!